Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create like this search box search by drop down list, as you can see here, and the search by highlighted. Alright, so select the cell, then go to data validation, then go to allow and select list and click here, then select all the names. Alright, then OK. Alright, now go to Home tab, then go to Conditional Formatting and choose Highlight Cells Rules, then Text that contains. Right? Then here select the cells, then width and select your color, for example this one. Right? Then OK. Go to Conditional Formatting again, and this time go to Manage Rules. So here delete this, then select all the names, and then apply OK. So now choose any name here, as you can see. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video.